Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to be unbagging my Medusa's makeup subscription for November. Before we get started, I am wearing a couple of items I want to show you. One being this lipstick, which I feel like looks absolutely terrible on me, so I will be giving this away to a friend. I just cannot do these purples on my lips. I feel like I look sickly, so I will be giving that away. And then the other thing I have used is the Jasmine Beauty Brow Boss to set my brows with the brow groomer. This was from a certain brand. I don't remember the name of the brand, but with the spoolie brush combo that came in the same box, and I think they look great. They're set really nicely. This is the only thing in my brows. I do have fuller brows to begin with, so I don't always bother filling them out of laziness, but I do like the shape I was able to create with these, and they do feel like they're going to stay put, so I really like these products. And this has the same texture as most Medusa's makeup liquid lipsticks. This is the Color Fetish, by the way, so it feels comfortable, it feels lightweight, but this color is terrible, and I think I'm going to go wipe it off and change it before we continue the video. Okay, that feels so much better. I feel like I look like myself again. This purples, I could do dark reds. I could do brownie leaning reds. It depends on what else I'm wearing. Sometimes I can do brown, but I cannot do these purples. They just look crazy on me. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this month's Medusa's makeup subscription. So here's our card this month with very autumnal imagery. It's very cute. There are 5 items listed on the card, but it's looking like there's more than 5 items in the bag. So I guess something's a freebie. I don't know. Let's go ahead and check out the first item. So this is from Lovebird. It's the tinted lip balm in the color Pucker. I don't remember if I've had this one or not before. I'm gonna take the plastic off and take a look. So here's the color. It's got more of a terracotta vibe. I've had a browner shade, but I don't know if it was Pucker. I don't think it was. Why is this not focusing? There we go. I don't think it was Pucker. I do have a pink one over by my work section of my desk, so if I want a little bit of life on my face for a video call, I have that. But let's go ahead and give this a swatch. These are sheer. Yeah, that's definitely more orange leaning than the brownish one I had before. I like this. I think I'd actually use this. So far so good. This Lovebird tinted lip balm. And these are very comfortable too, actually. So happy to have another one of those. And the Lovebird tinted lip balm is a $10 value. Next we have this item here. This is the eye primer, the Stick It eye primer. I don't think I've had an eye primer from them. Let's see, this is a $12 value. I'm gonna touch it and I wanna know what the texture's like. Oh, it's kind of balmy. Interesting that it's a primer, but it's balmy. I guess when you rub it out, it just gives a tackiness to the eye. I am very curious to try that since it does feel so balmy and my eyes are so oily and sweaty. I don't know if this would work for me, but I'm definitely going to give it a try. I actually am running pretty low on my eye primer right now, so I hope this works for me because I'm kind of on the market for a new one anyway. So that's that. Here's the next item. I love this packaging so much. So this is definitely going to be a lipstick. Medusa's makeup lipstick in the color Muddy Waters. So here's the packaging. Let's take a look at this color. Kind of looks sort of brownish, but it's hard to tell. This is a $14 value, and on the card it says this is a satin. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Oh, it's very hard to tell what this color is. It looks kind of black, but kind of purple, but kind of brown. It's an interesting shade. It's hard to really pinpoint what that color is. There is someone wearing it in the card and it looks sort of purple oil slicky there. I think I might be able to wear a purple leaning muddyish brown color because of how dark this is, I think I look great in black lipstick. Just tooting my own horn. And since this is so close to black, I think I might be able to get away with that, but you'll have to wait and see in a future video. So I'm excited to give this a try. We are getting an eyeshadow, a baked eyeshadow in the color Goals this month. And this is a $14 value. This is a really beautiful color. Look at that. I can't wait to see how this swatches. It looks very interesting in the container. Oh wow, this is really pretty. It's a really pretty bronze leaning brown. That's just really gorgeous. I can see how these colors kind of go together in a cohesive look. They all look really nice sitting next to each other on my hand. The last item on the card is the Beauty Host Chamomile Soothing Repair Mask. And my only complaint about Beauty Host masks is that they're almost too lubricated. Like, I feel like I always have to squeeze some of the product off before I put it on, and even then it lasts forever. But I'm always happy to get a mask, and chamomile sounds nice. Maybe I'll save this for a day when I have like a headache or just need extra relaxation. This is a $5.99 value, and I generally enjoy doing these. So as far as everything included on the card, I'm very, very happy with this month's box. I like getting these masks. This eyeshadow is a gorgeous color. This tinted lip balm is really a nice color I'll probably enjoy. I'm on the market for a an eye primer. I don't know why I couldn't remember that word. So happy about that. And this color is very interesting, and I always really enjoy when there is at least one quirky, interesting color in my Medusa's makeup subscription. Even if it's like this and it doesn't work for me, I enjoy that there's something quirky in there, something interesting in the subscription, because I kind of associate Medusa's makeup with a little bit of edginess. So very happy with the subscription itself. The subscription itself, I'm going to go ahead and give an A+. I'm very, very happy with it. We're doing pretty well with subscriptions. So then we have this, which is not on the card anywhere. So this is just kind of a thrown in extra. This is the 10 Free Chemistry Clean Nail Color. And this is in the shade, it doesn't say on the box. So let's open it up. This is in the shade Sand Dollar. This is really pretty, heavily gray leaning lavender. So I actually already own Sand Dollar. I had gotten it in another subscription. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this one back in the box, and I will be putting this into the future giveaway box. So whoever ends up winning that months and months down the line will be getting this nice little nail polish. So that's kind of fun. I'm going to put mine back in the drawer. So while this is a really nice freebie, it's a freebie I already have, so I really can't do much with it aside from give it to one of you. But I'm not mad about it. And it wasn't included on the card, so this is like a true just thrown in freebie. So that's not bad. The subscription itself I'm very happy with. This was a good month. And I liked the past kinder one that just happened for October, and the Petite Four. So we are kind of in a space where we're like 3 for 3 with the past 3 boxes, which is really cool. Hopefully Kinder and Petite for November are really good too. We'll see. I'm happy with this. I'd love to know what you guys thought too. Leave me your comments down in the comment section below. If you would like to stick around for a while, hit that subscribe button. Always give the video a thumbs up. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!